Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) must be mastered to design simple web pages. Read to understand how the various tags of the language work to create a web page. The Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) can be interpreted by a web browser, and it renders a web page according to the code written in it. It is a markup language wherein you prompt a web browser about how you expect the web page to look. It is a language with a WYSIWYG, what you say is what you get, philosophy. Introduction to tags. The HTML code is the language which the web browser reads. It is inevitable that you know the code and tags to create a web page. There are certain rules that you need to follow in order to write the correct codes for any website. Every web page is created from a source code file. To create a basic web page, all you need is a text editor like Notepad. You write the contents of the web pages in this text file, along with all the HTML markup codes distributed inside. This file is saved with a HTML single quote or HTML single quote extension. When a browser like Firefox or Internet Explorer opens this file, it is rendered as a web page. Every tag is written within a pair of opening, less than, greater than, and closing angular brackets. In between these two bracket pairs lies the text to be formatted or given a specialized form. A browser is not case-sensitive to tag text within angular brackets. Every tag may have certain attributes, which are placed within the opening angular brackets, less than, greater than, after the tag name. The whole source code of a web page is enclosed within end tags. The browser reads the code and content written after tag. The main content of the web page, that is displayed by the browser, is contained within the end tags. All the textual and graphic content of the site should be contained within the end tags. The body tag has color and font attributes to set background color and font type. There is a tag that comes before the tag, which contains extra information about the web page content and also contains the web page title in the form of tags. Here is a sample structure of a web page source code. This text is displayed, while the rest are tags. For text in websites, here are the basic text formatting tags. Bold tag, text enclosed within the bold tag appears bold. Italic tag, text enclosed within the italic tag appears italicized. Underline tag, text enclosed within, appears underlined. Paragraph tag, text enclosed within the paragraph tag, constitutes a paragraph. This tag has an extra attribute of a line equals center/left/right. Break tag, this tag gives a break within the sentence and starts text on the next line for links in case one wants to hyperlink a phrase in the text body of the web page. To create a link from that page to another web page, one must use the link tag, which is phrase to be linked. For images, the code for websites includes a tag for embedding images. It comes with an alt attribute to supply extra information about the image, as well as height and width attributes to adjust original size of image. To embed an image, use the tag in the following way. For fonts, HTML code for websites that defines the font for a text is the tag. You can even define the size of the font, along with the font family. It is used as follows. For tables, you can create tables using HTML. This is done using the tags. Here is a code for creating a standard table. The tags are for creating a row and a cell within a row. HTML codes for websites. This will be displayed in the following manner. HTML codes for websites. There are codes for colors of various shades, which can be used to color the background or text. So, these were some of the basic HTML codes used in websites that you absolutely must know. I have covered only a few that are required to create a simple web page.